So to set our launch control, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the set positive button, let go of it. When you do that, you'll see the sweep. So you're going to be able to adjust. Oh, there it goes. There's the sweep. So let go on the sweep. You'll be able to adjust the launch control set point. So right now, I've got it set to, let's try 3K. And then you're going to hit on, and it's going to sweep again, and it should be set. So now, I just got to go find a spot to launch, and it looks like I can do it right here, right now, if I hurry. Oh, there's the opposite coming. Sorry guys, there's a police officer pulled in right behind me, so I stopped. We're gonna go find another spot. But it's set, it should save that set point and still do it. All I've got to do is find a spot to do it that's safe. That was awesome. Oh, you like that? Me too, son. That was awesome. We're definitely gonna have to go drag racing. That was awesome. I've never done that. First again, and drop it. Oh my God! Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, we're definitely. On your mark, get set, go!